G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the updated center display module. Now what does this module do? It displays the coolant and the transmission temperatures and also your battery voltage and gear selection, which is awesome. So this will work for 2006 models to 2021 Mitsubishi Gen 4 Pajeros. So that is awesome and it has been updated. So I'm going to show you how to install it and also what's new with the updated unit. So let's get into it. Right guys, so this module is fully plug and play, which is great, and it only takes about 5 minutes to do so. So let me show you now how to install it. Righto, so first things first, grab yourself a trim removal tool. If you don't have this already, make sure to grab this on the website because you'll use it a lot. Alright, so we want to get out these aircon vents. So just pop out like that, and just the bottom. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky, but just take your time because they can be a little bit fragile. So there we go, that's one. And then just this side as well. So that's one. That's two. Very good. So next up, what you want to do is grab your aircon controls, but on the side. So with your 4 fingers, just go like this. And then we'll pull out. And now what you want to do is to pull your head unit out. Just like that. Nice and easy. Right guys, so when you unplugged your head unit, you can see this plug at the back right here. So all you got to do now is just unplug it. Just like that, because that's now going to go to the center display module. So there's 2 parts to it. 1, 2. So there's a hole at the back of the center display here, and then the other one is just going to this plug. So the neat thing about these center display modules is that it comes pre-cut. So it's fully plug and play. You don't have to cut any wires whatsoever. You just plug it in and away you go. So first up, plug this one in. You'll hear a click. Here you go. And then take the wire, plug that in. And there you go, now we can put it all back together. Okay, so I'm just quickly putting everything back together. So just make sure your head unit clips back in, like that. And then aircon controls goes back in. And now your air vents. So that's like that. Alright guys, let's now turn it on, see what happens. Alright, let's have a look. So it will display the little truck in the service. Okay, as you can see, it's still on another one, so you just got to press info. And there you go, so I'll just turn it once more just so it actually shows everything. So there you go guys. So engine is 19, transmission is 20, in the middle is your battery voltage, and then you also have your P. And that shows what gear you're in. So park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And it should also display a little number. There you go, so D1, that means you're on first gear. And then it will also show you what gear you're in, whether you're on manual or on auto mode, and it also displays your fuel percentage, which is great. Let's say for instance it just went to this screen and you're not sure if it doesn't work. So you've gone through all the displays. So by the way, you can still see all your other displays, so it doesn't change anything, it simply just adds the screen. Okay, so let's say for example it just goes to the screen. Here's what you do. So while the car is off, so turn it off, you hold the adjustment button, so this one here, for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep holding it and turn your car to on. Keep holding it. There you go. So I'll just turn this one off. Alright, so it will show service menu. Alright, display settings. So when that appears, all you got to do now is press adjustment. So adjust. It's gonna ask you display body type long. Basically just means long wheelbase. If you have a short wheelbase, it's gonna show body type short. So what you now do is click info, and it's gonna show function type reset with a number. So it doesn't matter what number it is. All you gotta do now is just press select. So that one there, it's gonna ask you to reset, and you just say set. Now it's going to show function type reset 0 or any other number, which is all good. So now all that this has been done, turn off the car. So turn off the car, turn it back on.
Parking recording started.
Alright, so like I said, that one will appear.
Recording 2 channels.
Now just press info. And there you go, guys, happy days. It all works, and that's how you do it. Alright, so another question we get asked is how do you recalibrate your compass, because sometimes it might be stuck on a certain direction. So in that case, guys, you just press adjustment. So clock, brightness, and then compass. Alright, and then all you got to do is press this little arrow so you can go to the next one. So it's going to show compass calibration. You go select. It's going to ask if calibration is ready. Just say select, and there you go. Please drive slowly in a safe open area. So what I would suggest is go do circles in a shopping center or something, just so it can recalibrate the compass. Cool. And then once that is all done, it should show you're good to go, or if not, you just press back. And there you go. Back to normal. In my case, I've just deleted the compass. It was just easier and it looks a bit cleaner for me. But yeah, that's just me. Perfect, and there you go, guys. Your center display module is all installed. Now, if you do prefer an instructions manual instead of watching this video, you can also go onto the product page of the center display module. Just scroll down, and in the description you'll see installation guide. Just click on it, and it's going to bring up a PDF for you to show you all the steps. So that's also pretty handy if you do need to reset the unit. So not all Pajeros came with the same module, and that's why it's either going to work straight away or not. And if it doesn't work straight away, then the reset is all it needs. So some other questions we asked: does it work for manual cars as well? It does, but I would rather go for the ultra gauge, just because it's not going to display your transmission temps, because there's no sensor on the manual boxes. It's only on the automatic, so it's not going to display it for the manuals, but it will for the autos. But yeah, so if you have a manual, just go the ultra gauge and you'll get a lot more features as well. So there's no wires to be cut. All right, we've sorted that part as well. Is it customizable? Unfortunately, at this stage, it's not customizable. It took the engineer quite a long time to program it to the ECU, because that's where it gets the information from, directly from the ECU, and that's how it's displayed. So unfortunately, at this stage, it's not customizable. What you see is what you get, but hopefully down the track, we'll work on something where you can actually select what gauges you'd like to see. The other question I get asked a lot as well, will it show audio communication error if you have an Android head unit? Like you've seen, I've got one myself. It will not display this error like some of the other units people sell on the internet. With ours, it's all good, and it will work with Android Auto head units. But yeah, apart from that, guys, if you have any other questions, make sure to drop it down below. Hopefully that is now cool and you're ready to go and install it yourself. So thanks so much for watching, and we appreciate all your support. Cheers, guys.